Welcome the our channel. Today we how to download Roblox player on Windows, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To download Roblox player on Windows, start by opening your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in www.roblox.com and hit enter. Once the Roblox website loads, look for the sign up or login button at the top right corner. If you don't have an account, select sign up and follow the prompts to create one. If you already have an account, click login and enter your username and password. After logging in, navigate to the games section on the website. Choose any game you wish to play by clicking on its thumbnail. You will see a green button labeled play on the games page. Click the play button, which will prompt a download for Roblox player. A pop-up window may appear, asking you to save the file. Select Save File to download the Roblox player installer. Once the file is downloaded, locate it in your Downloads folder. Double-click the installer file to begin the installation process. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation. Once the installation is finished, Roblox player will launch automatically. You are now ready to start playing your chosen game on Roblox. Enjoy your gaming experience. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.